Are you feeling really tight and stiff all over from working from home and sitting at the computer and staring down at your laptop? Well, we totally get that. And in this video, we want to describe a little bit where that comes from and what that actually means, because we've been saying a lot in our previous videos about, are you tight here and tight there? So we just want to go in depth a little bit more about what that means. So lucky for us, we have Dr. Alex here to get in depth about that a little bit. So what does that mean?
So when we talk about that tightness, stiffness, that's not necessarily like a diagnosis. You never go stiff. You got a stiff capsule. You got to tight this, right? We're looking at where it comes from. You know what we're typically feeling, or what we're feeling when we palpate you, or you're feeling it when we put you through a certain range of motion to a new stimulus to a muscle group. Is you're feeling either adhesion, and adhesion usually comes from overuse, repetitive stress. Those are the first two of just we're doing something and we are just hammering away at it, and the body's adapting as best it can to try and be able to absorb the load and allow you to continue throughout your normal day. Like we say, athletes are what?
Really, really, really good compensators.
And so are people in general, because the body's an amazing machine. Mm-hmm. And when you hear like stiffness, tightness, it's coming from those two primarily. Is usually repetitive stress and overuse. Those are that's what the research says. It says these are the things that are causing certain muscles to get really amplified in that like tightness, stiffness. Now,
so what does body awareness have to do with feeling that tightness?
Totally. So body awareness, once again, like I said, it's introducing a new stimulus, right? So if we take you and we put you in a position that you haven't been in before, or we put like a lacrosse ball somewhere where you haven't been before, or we do like muscle, soft tissue work somewhere where you haven't had it before, that's a brand new thing to the body.
It's gonna be a little uncomfortable.
Yep. So we're, for like probably the first or like the 20th time in your entire life, we're making you aware of what's there. We're kind of turning over that rock saying, hey, what's underneath here? What's causing this pain? What's causing us to be where we're at?
And then also neurologically, just like touching that area, what we like to call as therapy cues, we're cueing that muscle to tell your brain like, hey, this is here, and maybe this isn't working right or feeling right.
We're almost allowing the body to actually load that thing versus just saying, no, that's as far as you get to go.
Ignore it.
So I guess that rounds out, it's three things. Yeah, good point. It's repetitive stress, overuse, body awareness. Being aware that something is there, and that's kind of our job, is to expose you to that stiffness, tightness, and where it is and why it's coming from there. So, in summation, tightness and stiffness, it is from actions of everyday life or sport or anything. It really doesn't matter. It's from just using muscles in a certain pattern that may not be 100% advantageous to allow them to win. Right?
Not optimal positions.
Exactly.
So.
And now not every position is going to be optimal. I know sitting at a desk definitely isn't.
We can try our best.
Right. And
that's kind of what we do. So.
Exactly. We just want to put you in a position to win. So more advantageous, less stiffness and tightness.
Yeah.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Right? Hopefully you guys learned something. We just wanted to put that in the video so you guys could understand what we're talking about. Any questions, please shoot us a text, 952-300-1461.
Thanks.
See you next time.